Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving the problem number 9 in exercise 1.5. And check out the playlist in English. You'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. It will be helpful for you. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. Now, we can read the question. Here the question is, let f equals set of minus 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 9 be a linear from z into z. Find f of x. What is given in the question? 3 points are given. These 3 points are given. We need to find out f of x. Okay. Be a linear function, linear from z into z and find f of x. For solving this problem, we should know what is the basic common formula for all the linear functions. Okay. Now we are getting into the solution. Here for the solution, I have written the given information. What is given in the question? 3 points are given, right? So we need to find out f of x. And then we should know what is the common formula for linear functions, all linear function. Common formula for all linear function is f of x equals ax plus b. This is the common formula for all linear functions. F of x equals ax plus b. You should remember this. Then only you can solve this problem easily. So here we can take this equation as number 1. So here these 3 points will be representing first point in each pair. First point represents input. Second point represents output. We can say x and y. Let's say if the input is x means if you are giving minus, if you are substituting minus 1 for x, we will be getting the value of ax plus b will be 3. Okay, this is input, this is output. Let's say x is input, ax plus b is output. Okay, if you are substituting 0 for x, we'll be getting the value of ax plus b will be minus 1. And for third point, if you are substituting 2 for x, we'll be getting the answer for ax plus b will be minus 9, right? So, consider I'm taking first point, minus 1, 3. So, I can put minus 1 for x and the answer will be 3. Okay. So, if I am taking second point, 0, minus 1, the input x is 0, f of 0, the value of ax plus b will be minus 1. And if I am taking third point, the input will be 2. The output, the answer of ax plus b will be minus 9. We have gotten these all information from the question. Okay. What is the question had been asked in, what is the question we need to find out? We need to find out f of x, right? F of x we need to find out. This is the common formula. If you know the value of a and b, we can find out f of x easily according to these points. Here the question is, according to these points, the what is the value of f of x. Okay, for that we have to find out a and b values. Next step is we need to find out the value of a and b. If I am substituting -1 for x and here also -1 for x and the value of ax plus b will be 3, I can get the output, I can get the value of a and b. Okay. For finding a and b values, first I am going to take this point. This point I am going to substitute in this formula. I am going to substitute this point in this formula. So, what would be the expression? X value is -1 and a into x value is again -1 plus b. This value is the whole value of ax plus b will be 3. Now, if you are multiplying a with -1, the answer would be -a and this plus b equals 3. This is one expression we are getting after substituting this -1 value in place of x and the value of ax plus b. We are getting this expression. We can say this as equation number 2. Okay. Now, I am going to substitute this point 0, -1. 0, -1 in this formula. Okay. In place of x, I should apply 0 and in place here also I should apply the value 0 in place of x, and for this whole thing we need to apply the value -1. Okay, so here according to this formula I'll be getting f of 0 equal a into 0 plus b equal value is -1, right? A into 0, 0 plus b -1. So we have gotten b value was -1, right? We can take this as equation number 3. Just we have applied this point in this formula and second point also we have applied in this formula. So we have gotten b value was -1. Okay. Our goal is to find out a and b. Just we have gotten b value, so that if I apply this b value in this equation, I can get the value of a, right? So, next step would be apply equation number 3 in equation number 2. Okay. Next step is apply equation number 2 in equation number 3. So here this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 2. Okay. I am going to apply this b value in equation number 3. So -a plus, no, b value is -1, right? So I am applying -1 equal 3. So -a would be 3. This -1 becomes +1 when it comes to this side. And -a value is 4. Then a value would be -4, right? this is the value of A. We have gotten the value of A and B. So we can take this as equation number 4. Now, what we should do? We should apply A and B in this formula. Okay, we should apply A and B value in this formula. That is the answer. Okay, our goal is to find out the value of f of x. Then that's why we are trying to find out the value of A and B. After finding A and B, we should apply those values in this common formula. Then we will be getting the answer. So here A value is -4, B is -1. Apply equation number 2 and 4. Equation 2 and 4 in equation number 1. So we'll be getting f of x equals ax. What is a? -4. -4x. B value is -1. So -1. This is the answer of f of x. This is very simple if you know the basic formula for all linear functions. What we have to do is, first we should find out the value of A and B. After finding the value of A and B, we should apply those values in this common formula. That is the answer. And for this, you should remember this linear function formula. Okay. That's it for this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.